Introducing the EDYELL wireless earbuds. The box includes a pair of earphones, USB Type-C charging cable, user manual and warranty card. The product measures 9 by 3.6 by 2 centimeters and weighs 128 grams. These wireless earbuds in the midnight black color use Bluetooth 5.1 technology for faster transmission speed and stable connection. Once removed from the charging box, they connect to each other automatically. The earbuds have an inner nano coating that makes them IPX7 trusted water resistant. They are lightweight and allow for noise isolation. These earphones have easy switching, intelligent touch control that can play, pause or switch songs and answer or end calls. Gaming and music modes can also be activated by touching the earphone sensing area. These earbuds are compatible with all Bluetooth-enabled devices. The EDYELL earbuds are equipped with a lithium-ion battery that allows for 120 hours of standby time with the charging case. These gaming earbuds come with a mic that provides a 60 ms low latency connection for reliable transmission and near zero delay. The enhanced microphone call technology helps filter out 90% of disruptive noise. The earphones can be used for gaming, exercising, and calling. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.